This is Mr. Stana.
They struggle very hard, and unfortunately they don't reach final, but they struggle, and we appreciate him and pray for third position.
That's too much happy that Mr. Tala and Mr. Tala got luckiest friend by Sir Wazim Ali.
At that time I was there, and I captured the movie, and I feel very happy. I can't explain the words. I'm really happy when they got a pen from great teacher Sir Wasim. And I am very impressed with Sir Wasim because they work very hard and to speak to improve the English with their students. They work very hard, and I heard that Mr. Wasim is about the English pen and
इस्लामाबाद से पूरी रात जाग के इन लोगों ने जो वोटिंग का किया है और हम लोग भी सारी मेहनत की है। बस ये है कि हमें थोड़ा सा ये रह गया कि ये सेकंड पोजीशन पे जो है ना वो फाइनल में नहीं गए। सिर्फ इतना थोड़ा सा दुख हुआ कि काफी मेहनत की।
By the jury they win the competition, but by the voting
I want to say to all the guys that today, as you know that, what is today?
Final.
I cannot hear you.
Final.
I can't say up.
Final.
Yeah, they are right. Today is the final of the band. From bottom they were playing fantastic, nice way here. Today, here two teams reach. One team name is Tumbler, another team name is Energetic.K. But one thing is new thing is there. As I said that in final you can see new unique thing. What is that? I would say right now within the 2 minutes. What is that? But stop for a while just. Now hold your breath. Now I want to say what is the news is here. Today are many great special thing for all the guys, to audience, to members, for juries, for me, for all teacher. What is that? I'm gonna tell you, but I will not tell you. I will tell you in the end. But right now, as you know the guys, for judgment, we need you remember. Jury's member are. But before I want to tell that, as you know that in first debate, in second debate, there were only two members. Today, whoever was that, they all will come today in front of all of you. also remember, mean to say, cream of WLB, senior student, senior teacher, and the student of Sir Wasim Ali. How big am I, all of guys? I cannot hear the clap right here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that, guys, who wore the creams of WLP. Now, guys, now I gonna call the members are. Members are. It's time for them. Now I gonna call Sir Rehan and Madam Neelam. How are you with them? And Sir Shan, Sir Abe, Sir Nair, Sir Ayad. They all are being on the old updated. And these are the joining members from Adam and Tom and Tom and Adam over here. Now, ladies, you know that she was licking them from first debate. Sometimes that guy, sometimes that guy, sometimes that guy. They all are the senior student of WLP, and they all are teacher of WLP, and we are one team is here, and the team of WLP, the team of Sir Wasim Ali, the team of I will say everything. Okay, now, thank you. You want to say something?
Yeah.
Okay, now, as you know, the guys, I say one thing is special. Now, what is this special? I'm gonna tell you. Today says, who's that? Now I'm gonna call the heart of WLP, the teacher of the teacher, and who made us the apples here. So Wasim Ali, me, the old teacher able here, who give us the great platform here. The name is I'm gonna call But. You are ready or not?
Yes, sir.
You all are ready?
Yes.
Now I'm gonna call the man of the word, the man of the man. Start clapping right now, start clapping right now. The man of A.O. Raja Sarayana, the chief guest of the WLP, and the member of the Thank you very much. Now guys, today is the final here, and all work will start in the name of Allah. The similar here today. Now I'm gonna call for Kirat, for Tilawat. The madam is Madam Sadia.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم. مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. آمين.
Subhanallah. Subhanallah, mashallah. Now I'm gonna call for not. The name is Danish. Salam Danish. Alright. Okay.
सल्लल्लाहु अलैका या रसूल अल्लाह वसल्लम अलैका या हबीब अल्लाह। सब मेरे साथ मिलके पढ़िए सल्लल्लाहु अलैका या रसूल अल्लाह वसल्लम अलैका या हबीब अल्लाह। नूरी महफिल पे चादर तनी नूर की, नूरी महफिल पे चादर तनी नूर की, नूर फैला हुआ आज की रात है, चांदनी में है डूबे हुए दो जहां, चांदनी में है डूबे हुए दो जहां, कौन जलवा नुमा आज की रात है, अर्श पर धूम है, फर्श पर धूम है, ए वो बदबख्त जो आज महरूम है, फिर ये आएगी शब किस को मालूम है, फिर ये आएगी शब किस को मालूम है, हम पे लुत्फ़े खुदा आज की रात है, मोमिनो आज गंजे सखा लूट लो, मोमिनो आज गंजे सखा लूट लो, लूट लो ए मरीजो शिफा लूट लो, आसियों रहमते मुस्तफा लूट लो, आसियों रहमते मुस्तफा लूट लो, बाबे रहमत खुदा आज की रात है, नूरी महफिल पे चादर तनी नूर की, नूर फैला हुआ आज की रात है, मांग लो चश्मे तर मांग लो, दर्द दिल और हुस्ने नजर मांग लो, कमली वाले की नगरी में घर मांग लो, कमली वाले की नगरी में घर मांग लो, मांगने का मजा आज की रात है, नूरी महफिल पे चादर तनी नूर की, नूर फैला हुआ आज की रात है।
Now guys, you hear the old things here right now. We gonna start the debate here, but before here, as I said that today our main surprise here, or is surprise one more. One more surprise that the last time debate champion was, who was the guy? You know what was that person? That guy was the AK Wojah. He was champion of last time. The similar here, today person is coming for host this program. The guy name and the lady name is that Sir A.K. Wada and Madam Fatima. Have a big hand for them. Now they will host this program. They're both the genius and flexing girls over here. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? How are you?
Good, sir.
Shall I move? Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Let's start the program?
Yes.
You are welcome to Wasim Learning Point Debate Contest 2012. Today debate. Two teams they reach in this. Which is today, by the way. What is today? Today is final round. What? Final round. Not that is for third position. Finalists will play after this video. Now, the team name is Energetic.K versus Tumblr. And first we asked the interview of that team. They reached in this stage, what they are feeling, by the way. Miss, that's your team, and I think so that's my team.
Okay, that's
Okay, no problem. Start.
give your interview and introduction.
In the name of Allah, the superlative gracious and superlative merciful. Nothing is yours, nothing is mine, each and everything belongs to Allah, who is the creator, operator, generator of this great universe. Of course, my introductibility. Before starting my debate, I would like to thanks to my bottom of my heart to my dearest Allah, then Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then my respectable parents, then my respectable teacher, Sir A.R. Raja and Sir Wasim Ali. I want to heads up for them. Because of that, today I am standing here, I am speaking here, I am facing the all people here. Just because of Sir Wasim Ali, Sir A.R. Raja and my guide repute Sir Tazim Ali. And now move towards for my all colleagues, my partner who back up me, who follow me, who still they are be with me who in my step and step. After this, my all and all audience, my all teacher, my all judges, Assalamu alaikum. Who gave me a chance to deliver my thought in front of you. Today our debate topic is about, which is more interesting and knowledgeable also. What topic should be? Yeah, topic is that India and Pakistan should be friends or not. But we are favoring cause is that India and Pakistan should not be friends. Because of that, the India and Pakistani culture both are different. And they got separation in 1947. Because of that, they cannot bear the both person. That's what they get separation. And how they could be friends in future. Thank you very much. Yeah, Mr. Ramzan.
In the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. Nothing is you and nothing is mine. Each and everything belongs to Allah, who is the creator, generator and operator on this beautiful world. Then I would like to thank Allah and Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, then my parents and my teacher who made me able to speak, walk and learn. Then I say Assalamu alaikum to all. Today my team introduced themselves.
This is Tanzila Asif and I am the second partner of this team.
This is Mr. Mohsin Ahmad. I am the leader of this team.
This is Talha Tariq. I am the third partner of this team.
This is Hamza and I am fourth partner on this team.
We all belong to Energetic.K.
He is saying that our culture was different. That's why we got independence. My dear, first tell me that we have friendship with China. China is the Muslim culture or the different from Muslim culture? Tell me, China is the same culture of Muslim or not? So why you, if this is, then why you are friendship with China?
Why you are friendship with China? Give me an answer first.
This is
Fatma Tariq and my team will introduce by themselves.
My name is Awais Raza.
My name is Muhammad Ali.
This is Zafar. And our team name is
Tawla.
Thank you very much. You like
Tumblers, one thing I want to say to you guys, where you are sitting, in WLP. You love WLP? So why WLP written in your side? I don't like it. Yeah, sure. It's my problem. I have written the card mistaken and you should remove it right now. Because I don't like if someone wrote my WLP name down. Yeah, sure.
My dear, China is total different country between India and India. Our topic is India, not China.
Their topic is India, not China. Give me the answer.
Their topic is Indian and not China. Give me a strong answer. Huh? The against team are sitting there.
It's Indians' good side that they are following their cultures and the other peoples are also getting the colors. And my dear sister, this is our fault that we are not following our cultures. We are only following the Hindus' cultures.
We are just following Hindu's culture. We are not saying our culture.
Who is saying we are following Hindus' culture?
Who is
We
saying
are
that?
not following the Hindus' culture.
They are not following the Hindus' culture.
You will answer. Nice answer. They will give you. Now, my partner, who will? Tala.
Celebrating birthday, it is the Muslim culture or Indian culture? It is the Indian culture, and we are in wedding we play the drums. It is also the Indian culture, not the culture of Muslim.
It's not the culture of Muslim, but we are heading
No,
here.
no, you come here.
First of all, my dear brother Tala said that we are following the culture of drum, the function also. It depends on the pupil which way we are chosen, wrong or right. And it doesn't matter. We are performing the function of dancing and the mostly person doing the milad also. Mostly person doing the Quran Khani before marriage. You didn't see this. You didn't see this. You just see they are function on the home. Just see this.
Great answer.
Just you see this thing that they are doing function at your home. Don't see that they are having Quran Khani. They're studying Quran. Yeah, easy answer. No problem. My team will be stronger.
India and Pakistan both are nuclear power country. India and Pakistan friendship, then both never country can be progress. And biggest disaster of this problem.
Biggest disaster of this problem are you, Mr. Abbas.
India people can never be a friend of Pakistan.
India people never be a friend of Pakistan.
Indian people cannot be a friend of Pakistan. Is it right? This part, Tanzila.
Absolutely wrong. Actually, India-Pakistan friendship is impossible. And I am damn sure that India and Pakistan will, inshallah, they will celebrate 100th Independence Day with the friendship of Pakistan and India.
The audience, you all are, I think, sleeping here. This part.
Give the great answer.
The audience are sleeping here. What they are doing here? I think so it's final round.
If there
Clapping
is a
sound should
good
not
one,
be
you
stopped.
should clap for them.
Clapping should not disturb, I think so. They are raising the great points. If you want to that in that stage, one clap. Demo, I need demo. This kind of point, nice point. Yeah.
Now, ma'am, continue.
Miss Tanzila saying, how can they celebrate 10th celebration? Tell me. And now you tell me, first India attack on Pakistan in 1948. And capture Kashmir. India again and again attack on Pakistan. This is called friendship.
This is called friendship. Yeah, Miss Angela, that's it.
We are not telling that we are the friend of India. We are saying India and in its future, not in present or in past.
We should be proud of India, baby.
And the great fun.
In the past, in the present, and how we can believe in future India will believe us. India will be a part of. India will going in the step by step with Pakistan. How we can believe that India will doing justice with Pakistan when they are not done in past justice for Pakistan. How we can surmise that again in future Indian people can do justice with Pakistan.
Indian people can do justice in Pakistan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's India people can do justice with Pakistan people. Mr. Mohsin, first tell me, where is the water come? Where is the water come? In Punjab. From India. If we get the friendship with India, we can easily get water and we can't lost our feet. So we should friend with India because it's best and favorable for us. Thank you, sir. Nice one, Mr. Mohsin Ali.
Miss Fatma.
My dear, no friendship between India and Pakistan, and don't try it. It's waste our time and money. That's
Great. My team is understand this, you know?
What the hell
Your
are you
team
talking
is
about? My team is too much. You can just hear too much into that chick too. All are
Excuse me,
too.
when my turn comes, all are.
Now they are lazy. Don't give answer. Don't
They
reply
are
themselves.
lazy.
Let's see the reply of this
Yeah.
my team. Yeah, Mr. Tala.
My dear, when we friendship with India, then there will be peace in our country. I have proved that it is the
Bro.
necessary step for peace in Pakistan to friendship with India.
Yes, bro. Miss Fatima, bro.
No, yes, stand up. It's a great point.
Can I see it?
You want to sit?
Yeah.
There's a pro. Yeah, here you go. Show them gift. My team rocking, shocking, baby. What do you think about it?
Let's see,
Yeah.
John. There's a one proof when you are.
What can I do, by the way? Handshaking. I'm right.
Oh my God.
I'm right.
Handshake.
I think so. I'm right. The handshaking. Handshaking doesn't mean they are friends. Now I want to show the one authentic proof, which is showing you all of you clear your all minds what the people think about the Pakistani. You can easily surmise just because of two words.
More than powerful than your proof.
I don't believe it can be. Captured by him, I think so. Let's
You're
see,
more
let's see.
powerful proof than your team.
Let's see. This kind of foolish man. There's no time. 5, 4, 3, 2.
While it's working.
There's no time. Please do 4, 5. There's
In this video, the one ministry, the one MPA, the female, she said she said the abuse to Pakistan. She said the wrong word to Pakistan, and I don't want to listen that for I left it. Because of that, she said the Pakistan. I have no word to say about the Pakistan. She used that kind of word. In the beginning.
They want proof. Now you can reply. You can see now.
In the beginning, you can start from the beginning and listen the word. You can start from the beginning and listen the words.
You can see now. They are saying the bad words to Pakistan. Their teams are listening.
1, 2. They gave the answer.
Stop for a while. Yes, Mr. Raj, you want to say one thing?
Yes, sir. I want to say one thing from that thing. They show the proof there is an abusing for Pakistan, so, and that's not a rule to showing the proof with abuses. If you want to show, so ask the first judges. If they will allow, then the proof is valuable to judges. Otherwise not. That's not a proof.
If they want to prove and show any proof, first they are
First ask
they will.
if there is abusing, they will not allow to show.
Okay, have you understood?
Proof should be first. Just proof. Let's see your proof. Yeah, now let's next point. My team here, Mr. Mohsin.
First, I want to give the answer of Fatima. Fatima said it's the best of money. Do you know how many pupils die in Kashmir? How many rangers, how many army, how many police are alert in the border? It is not a waste of money. You are saying that if we are getting the friendship with India, so we get a lot of save the army and advantages, and we save the money as well.
You can save money, you can save army just because of friendship. Yeah.
Why Kashmir people killed? Because Indian captured Kashmir. That's why Kashmir people killed. Kashmir attack on Pakistan and capture India attack on Pakistan and capture Kashmir. And they do not give the rights of Muslims in Kashmir. That's why Kashmir people killed.
Kashmir people killed, they do not give rights. Mr. Tala.
My dear, who is the president of India, Manmohan Singh? He said, I have also approved, he said in the news channel of India, there is no evidence in this channel. It is approved that Manmohan Singh is saying on the media that the Kashmir, that the Pakistan will be inshallah very soon free with the problem of Kashmir. It is the recent media proof. You can see also.
It's current news, current proof. We have Manmohan Singh, Prime Minister of India.
Mr. Tala, you can stop. It is the current interview. It's the current review. The current, he was the Prime Minister of India, not President for the way. And before 1 week, the India President and Prime Minister had been changed. Thank you.
From the last.
You are talking about the current situation. So we are only also talking about the current situation. If you are talking about the past, the India killed the Kashmir people these days. We are not there. We don't know the full information. If we were there, this is the new generation. We should forget that and we should friendship with India.
We should friendship with India.
Just because of India's support, we lost our Bangladesh and now we are losing Balochistan. So you need to lose your Balochistan.
You need to lose your Balochistan. You lost your Bangladesh. Who wants to stand yourself?
Mr. Ali says that he is not the Prime Minister of Past. My dear, you want the wordings or you want that he is Prime Minister, he is President? I am showing the wording. I am not showing that he is Prime Minister or the leader of India. I am just showing the wording and you also listen the wording. You don't think that he is Prime Minister or he is removed from Prime Minister.
The first president of India, Nehru Lal, in 1949, he said we give freedom of the Muslim of Kashmir. But after 65 years, he didn't give the permission. He didn't give freedom of the Muslim of Kashmir. So how can you say this is the past? This is
Did you prove?
Yeah.
Miss Zakira, she has proof.
Judges, shall I show my proof?
Yeah, welcome.
This is the copy of speeches of Nehru Lal in which he said.
Yeah, can you speak up?
And I also highlight this point where he said we give the freedom of Kashmir.
Yeah, speak up.
Tina, just finished.
Down the list, all copies of Nehru Lal.
Nehru Lal pages, all the proof, you can see.
And I also highlight the points.
They all highlight the points which thing are.
This is the copies of speeches of Nehru Lal in which he said we give the freedom of the Muslims of Kashmir, but after 65 years he didn't give the freedom of Kashmir, to the people of Kashmir. And so why India do not solve this issue? Why?
Team, get up, get up.
Please give me any authentic answer.
Energetic.k.
I also they want my team.
I need a strong answer. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand who won? Sir Mohsin, leader of this team. Need a strong answer, huh?
Listen to me carefully, Ms. Zakra. My partner already gave you the current situation of India. You are talking about the past. 62 years before, we are talking about the past. We are talking about the present. Present said that we will free the problem of Kashmir soon. So you should accept it. And one more thing is there, you are saying that war. What did you get? Listen to me, Zakra. What did you get? Again and again war in 62 years with India. What did you get? Till today. Give me an answer.
Give them answer for us. Fast.
Give them the answer properly.
First of all, I want to give in the answer of Mr. Mohsin. He was said that the water is come from Punjab. You are wrong. The 70% of water is come from Kashmir and 30% of water come from Punjab. Got it? And one more thing is that you said the current situation of, you are talking about the current situation. My dear brother, and more time we are doing. First of all, my dear, we are not want to do war with Pakistan, with India, with America, with any country. We the Muslim never ever want for them that Muslim want peace and prosperity all around the world.
Guys, we don't want war. We don't want war. You want it.
If there is relation with neighbors country, so problems are solved easy.
You know that, Miss Fatima? My team too much rocking now, no?
Excuse me, my team playing Termata. Your partners are sleeping.
Not sleeping is totally the good point, the marvelous.
They are raising the goodbye. Prove how.
What are you talking about? They show the mobile proof. They are not
Excuse me,
using.
they are raising the very good point.
You live. Final round. This is final. Today, final going on. Miss Fatima, start game.
Yeah, from there, who will start? Yeah, Mr.
Excuse me.
Then you want to say something?
Yeah, I want to say something. Both I want to address both things. You know that you were playing for the third position, okay? Similar to final. And Sir A.R. Raja, especially, you are the lucky that Sir A.R. Raja is being sitting here. So show that spirit. If you look that you are the playing for the third position, okay?
Okay, start. You have just 10 minutes. Show up yourself. 10 minutes. Do fast.
I need to buy 3 pairs outside.
Do fast. Do fast.
Fast.
This is India, this is Pakistan, and this is USA. India is want to make friend with Pakistan. India want to make friend with Pakistan, and if they will make friend, then they will be the superpower. And USA don't make them friends. That's why he is destroying the both countries, and USA is taking the advantages of both teams. That's why India and Pakistan is not getting friendship.
Nice point. They have shown your example. They show that drama. Mr. Ali. This powerful point. Do fast.
I just want 3 minutes.
Just 3 minutes are not
Anybody?
enough.
2 minutes. Do fast. Whatever you want to do fast. Do fast. There's no time. Come on. You are fell down. Charlie, fell down. No problem. Do fast. May I hold it? Do fast.
Guys, the all person can easily see me. It was the subcontinent. It was a subcontinent. In 1947, when the Pakistan and India got separate, the Pakistan become like this. The pure prosperity water. The pure water, the pure nation, the pure state. It's become like this. But my dearest brother, the energetic dude, want this Pakistan want to like this. It's become a dirty. Who wants to like it? Who wants to like it? Anyone that Pakistan want to like this? Anyone is here who want to Pakistan like this? No one want to Pakistan is like this.
The Pakistan and Is it Pakistan? They say in India they want this like this Pakistan. Pakistan is never. They like this. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, next point.
Yeah, Tanzila said, before break, Mr. Ali speak Urdu, as all my judges know.
They know very well. Don't need to point out.
And Miss Fatima was saying that Balochistan is destroyed by the India. My dear, the Balochistan is not destroyed by the India. It is destroyed by our own self. And please answer me that is Pakistan is friend right now? Right now is India is our friend? Right now is India our friend? Answer. They might be one answer.
India your friend right now, Mr. Ali?
The authentic answer is that right now, the past, the future, the present, India never ever, the Indian people never ever want to friendship with Pakistan. Ever prove of that when there are the schools people, Indian schools girls, and there is the anchor also, the actor also, the singer also, they are using the wrong words. That is, may I allowed to say that his name is.
Names are not allowed.
Okay, I will not say. But he is in openly media. He said the Pakistan are terrorists.
He openly said that Pakistan are the terrorists.
It's the authentic point.
My dear, who is behind this? Who is behind this? The USA is behind this. Who is pinning the India to make to say these abuse words to Pakistan? That's why the friendship is still between. That's why the friendship is not happening with India and Pakistan.
Explain it.
There is a video. Here is the one singer and the anchor of India. They are using in IPL the great actor choose the Pakistani player in IPL team. In just the 2 words, I want the Pakistani people if they are allowed to play in IPL. In just 3 or 4 words, the Indian actors take the given issue, more issue for this. Why they want to take the Pakistani player? Why they want? Why? Pakistani not play? They are being Pakistani. He does not want up any Indian people or any Pakistani people come here and use the single word of Pakistani. The Indian people want to like this.
Alright, you complete your point, you become a friend. Yeah, next.
From here, Mr. Mohsin.
First, I want to give the answer of Mr. Ali. He said a clean nation. Do you know after 62 years, Pakistan condition, what's going on here? There is no education, there is no value of education, there is no police education, there is no eat to food, there is no economy. Please listen to me and think about it, cool mind. If you get friendship with India, so you get more positive sign with India. Thank you.
You get more positive sign with India.
Now there is a last point to show up yourself. In summary, summarize your whole topic, and you also summarize your topic. There is no time to motivate. There is no time. Please do fast. Last point. Who wants to raise last point? Miss Fatima, they are thinking I want to ask the question with you.
Yeah.
What are you having in your hand? I think so. Something. What is this?
It's very valuable thing for me.
What is this, by the way? Would you like to show in camera?
Yeah, sure.
What is this, by the way?
You know, guys, in looking, this is a very simple bag. very value for this. But you know, the person who gave me that not a simple person for me. That the teacher, by virtue of that person, I am standing here speaking in front of you in very confident way. That is the person for me, and you know, the great teacher, marvelous teacher, everything in my life. That is Sir Wazim Ali.
Have a big answer for everybody.
I'm standing here speaking here. Thank you.
It's for good performance.
It's very valuable thing. And the both team, if you want this man, please show your good efforts.
If you want this band, please show your what? Efforts. Who will raise first point first? Last point, not first.
To all everybody, please accept my salam. As you know that our today's debate topic is about the India should not be friend of Pakistan. Guys, India should not be friend of Pakistan because of that. Till 1947 to 2012, the Indian people using the bad words towards Pakistan, apart from Pakistan, towards the great religion, Islam. I don't want the who are the pure Muslims. They never want the India should be friend of Pakistan. Who see that they directly in a patient directly say they should not be friend of Pakistan. Call of that. Why they are not using the wrong word towards Pakistan. They are not using I have no word to explain about it. Call of that. They always engrossed to just Muslims and till do or die, come watch me. They should kill, they should destroy the Pakistan. They want just the Pakistan name finished in the whole around the world. The Indian people want. Who want the Pakistan? India should be friend of Pakistan. No one wants the India should be friend of Pakistan. Why? The Indian people hate the Islam, and we are our dogma, our religion. We are totally in just Islam. When I come in Islam, I have no word to say.
Thank you very much, Sir Ali. Now I got a call from Energetic.k who wants to raise the last point. Leader, what's the leader? Come on, fast. Sir Mohsin, you have just two minutes to define yourself.
1 minute.
1 minute. There's no time. Short time. Define yourself fast.
Assalamu alaikum to all. Today our speech topic is India should be friend of Pakistan. First I want to clear the friend. You never hug yourself. You never cry on your shoulder. You need every time a friend. I don't want to say that India should be friend like this, you can hug. But you can think about it positively and cool-minded. If we get the friendship with India, so we get a lot of benefit from India. Now after 62 years, we are still standing there. We should progress, we should think about it positive and friendship with India. Thank you.
Now, they all raised last point. Now, turn of proverbs. Now we want to individual fight, I think so should be. Yes, third position fighter. Who want to come first? Just one come first. Yeah, Mr. Anzila Asif. From there, Mr. Ajit Tumblers. Fatima versus Tanzila Asif. They are both our sister, you know. The sister are fighting together. They live in one house. They fight together. We look how will they do.
Yes.
Start.
My dear, India could not be friend of Pakistan. India should be the friend of Pakistan. Why? Because when we will be India will friend of art, then it's only our benefit. It's not the benefit. Because you accept or not, because the India is the India has developed the country. India doesn't develop our country. India destroy our country. If India destroy our country, if we have friendship with India, in our Pakistan, the people are not following our culture, they are following the Western. When we have friendship, us India, attack on us India bomb on us and destroy our country. USA is the USA are paying who are the behind of India, but India is destroying. India is destroying, but India is destroying. It is destroying.
Thank you very much. Shake hand. Smile. Cheese. Come here. Cheese. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Paneer. Okay, move on. Thank you very much. Now, one more. Second partner versus second partner. No, second. Third one. They start? Yeah, Mr. Okay, start.
Your leader is just saying about culture. Tell me, a person make friend by seeing his culture or by seeing his good
about
qualities?
culture, so we talk about my culture. So with my leader and I cleared it. We are talking about the friendship of India and Pakistan. India and Pakistan friendship. India doesn't accept the existence of Muslims, the existence of Muslim state, the existence of Islamic Republic Pakistan, and in will be future he will not accept Muslims and not accept Muslims.
So why India is offering the Pakistan pupils to come in India and play cricket with India pupils? Why?
This is for entertainment, nothing else more. And you tell me what is the full name of Pakistan? What is the full name of Pakistan?
I tell you. Enemy will not play with friend, but the friend will play with friend. This means India is playing with friend. This means it is the friend of Pakistan. That's why they want to play with Pakistan.
This is only for entertainment, nothing else more.
In Parliament of Pakistan, all members selected India the favorite country of Pakistan. Why?
Now sir Wasim give it the next round. It's the next round. What is this? It is Proverbs game. Sir Wasim give them Proverbs and this misarranged. The sentence is misarranged. They have to arrange right now. The team is standing here. You can see. They have just 2 minutes to search the words, search the lines and arrange on this board. A partner standing here, she pastes on this wall. You have just 2 minutes. You wind up this whole thing in 2 minutes. Do first start, time start now.
1, 2, 3, start.
Show your face in the camera.
One person should be here.
Yes, you gotta bring these things. Yes.
No, she will go bring that stuff.
Stay there.
Down is remaining a lot.
One by one. One by one.
You can clap, guys. You can back up them.
Come on. Come on, Fatima, come on. Yeah. Do fast.
I'm remaining just 25 seconds.
You have just 25 seconds remaining, fast. It's complete.
You have chance to see this is the correct or not.
Glance on it. Is there some mistake? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much. or not? Is it right? No, sir. They are objecting. They have objection.
Who has objection? Wrong.
Salah saying objection.
Correct one. Tell the correct one.
He has 5 seconds to make it correct.
No. Just say correct.
It's correct one. Do for.
Charity is to hard against men, and home is at home. Home is to find.
And this is second team energetic.k. They now improve the proverbs in this board. Your time starts now. Come on, energetic.k. Show your energy. I think so you all are fast. No energy. Do fast. No fast. In the fast. Who is turning? Come on, Tanzila. Come on, energetic. Sometime remaining too fast.
1 minute, please. 1 minute remaining.
1 minute remaining, Tanzila, too fast. You have just 1 minute to improve this. Make it well.
Come on, clap, guys.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. There.
25 seconds remaining.
5 seconds more if you want to sit.
If you want to correct it, you have time here. Glance on it. Is there some mistake? Do fall, Tanzila.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Stop.
Thank you very much. Thank you for any mistake. Second one is right. Congratulations. They accept it. And first one?
Actually, Mr. Ravi, there is mistake in second one and first one is right. Actually, it is better late than never. Late will be first and then will be second, and first one is absolutely right. Mistake in second, it is just disarranged. Otherwise, both are correct. Clap for them. You can do
Disarranged. Cross of this. One is okay and one is not okay. Welcome back. Clap for everything and for the posting. They both performed the second round, the proverb. They both judges have the result. They jot it down and please clap for this team. And it's out. And this team for also. Now, the time of comments of the judges. What do you think, Fatima?
I think that energetic.k do very hard working, that they will win.
They will win.
Yeah.
I don't know who will win. The judges know very well. Now let's see the comments of the judges. Glass, please, camera, move towards judges. Miss Neela, comment them.
Okay, assalamualaikum to all. First of all, today is the great finalist going on, and the third position, the playing team energetic.k and the opposing Tumblr. No doubt their presentation was very good, and you can see the panel mates over there that they are wearing the trampoline stand-up. You can see their presentation is looking very bright. Clap for them. Because we are just talking about spinning is not that they are winner. We are just talking about that their presentation was really good and well. If we move towards the right hand side, the work hard by Mr. Ali, made by Fatima, Ways, the Istanbuls are like this really looking nice. Clap for them also. And both teams played very well. The teams knows the point, the informative things, and point out the other one what is saying wrong, then point out that the absolutely was really good. Let's see what's happening. The more comments will be by that.
Have a big hand for Islam.
The both team play well according to their level. It was looking really that they were playing the third position. No doubt the both team will show the spirit, information, strong comments by both sides. But there is one, obviously there is one team. It doesn't mean that if you lose or won anything, it doesn't mean that you are the loser. Both team practice well, but obviously the one always a winner. Let's see that who is the winner.
You know the starting sir Wasim called not 3 judges. There were how many judges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 judges sir Wasim called. 7 judges. But 3 judges in front of you and 3 judges in front of them. They are sitting in front of you and they will give comments about this debate contest. Sir, yes.
Well, I want to say that I want to appreciate you all guys. Excellent, great, your presentation, excellent. But it doesn't mean that you presented well, you can be better. Okay? They work hard a lot in their topic. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you.
You were played very well, and let's see what happens.
As Saraya said, Mr. Khan said, Ms. Lam and Sir Rehan said, they perform well. Obviously, because they are in third position. If they will not perform well, so who will? And I want to suggest be prepared for yourself. Inshallah, who will win.
Yes, Dr. Naim, what do you think about it?
My thing is that Mr. Wajid, first of all, I say Assalamu alaikum to all. And here the both team played very well and tremendous job. Like Tremblers and here the United got K. But this presentation is too good. But here the topic knowledge is very good. Let's see what happens after some time.
Thank you, Dr. Naif. And clap for the judges, please. Big hand for them. Now we let's move towards first position. Sir Tazim Ali, I want to call here to wind up this debate.
Hello guys here, now, right now. That's good. Have a big hand. For which of that, sir? And you know that right now, here is one. What is that right now? Surprise. Yeah, I see today's many surprise here. One surprise said that the biggest surprise is today Sir Raja appeared here. First one is that. Have a hand for Sir Raja. Big one and that's it. That's good. The second one is that. This is performance here. And third is that today is a tableau. Yeah, tableau. And right now, what do you call the person, members of the group that they will perform here a tableau. Thank you very much. Let's see down what will happen right now. Thank you.
Praise God.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. As you know that, welcome in Hard Gossip Show. This is your host Sahil Lodi. And how are you, audience? Let's together. And our invited one host. And this is one of the hot hosts. And I want to invite Nadia Khan.
Everybody. How are you? Fine. Your mouth also in your hand.
Yeah, but I will not give you my G to you. This is my cup. Okay?
Okay, chalo, leave you
I want to ask one question to you.
Okay.
Whenever any host came in my show, I want to ask one question. Would you like Munni or Sheila?
I don't like Munni or Sheila. I like Jabil. Tell everybody.
Would you like this song? Tell everybody. Because I too much like this song.
Sahil the great singer. So he can also sing the Jalindi Bhai song.
Oh, that's good, that's good.
Yeah.
As usual, our show, there are number of celebrities.
we want to invite number of celebrities. But before we invite, I want to tell you about that celebrity. He is a religious scholar. He is one of the great person, and I really respect him in bottom of my heart. Today, I want to invite that person in the name of Dr. Mohammad Amin Diakar. Put hands together. You came here, it is my pleasure, sir. I really like it. Have a seat, please.
Okay, now we are calling the great Pakistani industry, the great actress, the put your hands together for Meera! Thank you so much. Okay,
Meera, I'm your fan. Have you married?
She got married.
Oh shit!
Oh my God! So I know that.
I'm in your list, and you're become a married. Oh, this is so sad news for me.
Mr. Saidoti, we are happy like we feel after calling the local celebrity.
And then we want to invite one of the great superstar of Pakistan. He played number of matches for Pakistan. But one more interesting about him, when he came at ground, he out in first ball. That's great. That's not a great news. But I want to invite him. Put hands together, Shahid Afridi!
Now I call the queen of the tips, Pakistani most musician. We calling the tips of Queen Miss Zubaida Appa. Appa, have you great? We are glad that you are coming to Hot Gossip. Thank you so much. Appa, take your seat.
Appa, have a seat, please.
Okay, now we are calling the great commentator of Mr. Appa, then the beautician, most famous beautician and the model artist of the Pakistan, Miss Saba. Put your hands together. How you feel that? Thank you for
welcome in our Hot Gossip show.
Thank you. For you.
But I'm thankful to her therefore I'm sorry.
But just you thank all the ladies.
Oh, this is not fair.
Okay, we are starting our concept with the Hot Gossip. We have a lot of questions about the celebrities. Yeah, we are missing the one celebrity, the most important and the most greatest, the concentrate on the dressing. She is a fabulous Sharmila Farooqi. Put your hands together. We are glad that you take the time for it. Thank you.
And then I want to start our show. We want to ask some questions for our celebrities.
Okay. Now we started the question about the celebrity because a lot of questions we have to ask the celebrities. Mr. Syed, you want to first ask?
You ask us because you say you ask,
Oh, Mr. Syed, do you have a pain in the heart? Okay, that
is not a good.
Okay, we have a first question asked to Miss Meera. Miss Meera, why you create the reality show? Who will be the husband of Meera?
It is secret, but you are asking me, so that is why I tell you I am create a reality show who will become the Meera's husband because everybody people are lovely, so that is why I show all buddies to see number of people love me. That's why they are getting for marriage me. And you, Miss
Question, put hands together.
I wanna ask you something.
Yeah, sure.
You say that you are my friend, biggest friend.
I'm your English fan because you are speaking good English.
I know very well. I am
Yeah.
And you are too much late, my dear.
Oh, it's so sad news for
It
you.
is secret that I will
But-
not give
but-
it to you.
You got husband or not?
It's a secret.
Oh my God, it's a secret.
But
Sahil.
our audience wants to listen their secret.
Sahil also want to listen your
Yeah, I
secret.
want to listen because I'm too much handsome person, you know?
I accept that you are handsome person, but I am saying that you are too late.
Okay. Sahil, better luck for next time. Okay. Miss Zubeda Appa. What do you think that Miss Zubeda Appa, what do you think that Miss Zubeda Appa, your famous tip, great famous tip for hair growing, introduced Mr. Sahil. Mr. Sahil, you once said that the great tip of Miss Zubeda Appa
Yeah.
said,
You're a great in that when you want to long your hand, you apply the cockroach killing spray. But I have a complaint with you. Have you applied your tips on yourself?
oh my son, just a minute, one by one.
Okay,
My
Appa.
daughter, first you asked a question. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, I give a tips, the long hair, the cockroach killing spray. If you use the cockroach killing spray, so your hair too long enough. Why do you use the cockroach killing spray for growing the hair? Oh my daughter, you forgot. First you kill your lice, then you...
I think Appa is a hairist.
Appa wants to kill the lice first, then growing the hair. But Sahil Lodi has a lots of lice. So that's why they spray.
I applied that to your face, cockroach killer spray, but my lice is too much increase in my hair. What
Because
is the reason behind it?
this is Zubeda Appa's totka, you know, the tip of Zubeda Appa. You want to say that's the fake? Yeah, the fake tips of Zubeda Appa.
Put hands together!
My son, you apply the green chili paste because your life is too much smart and hard.
I think Appa, you have a confused. First you say you apply cockroach killer spray, and then you say you apply green chili paste. I think you are confused.
Okay, we have a question about the Sharmila Faruqui. Okay, ma'am, lots of persons say that why you just concentrate on your dressing. You are politics, why you don't concentrate on your politics issues?
Because I have a lots of money, that's why I am wasting my money on my dress. I am very conscious to beauty.
Oh,
and I am betting on the
oh man, if you have a lots of money, so why you did not consume enough poor people? Because in Pakistan there are too much politics. Tell me please.
I mean that few people also have the wear the dress.
But you are wearing too much expensive dresses. Why?
Oh my God, I'm telling you that few people also wear the dress. That's why I'm also wasting my money on the dress.
Put hands together! Then I want to ask one question from my greatest scholar, religious scholar, Dr. Muhammad Amir Jafar. Sir, would you like to tell me why you left ARY Digital? Tell me please.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. My audience and you ask me my question. It's my personal matter, so don't poke your nose in my head.
But my audience wants to listen that. That's
Easy
Not my audience wants to listen.
I think our audience is in sleeping mood.
No, they all want to listen.
Okay,
Hey, audience!
We ask the question of the Pakistani cricket team, the famous cricketer.
Shahid Afridi. Shahid Afridi, tell me. When you came at ground, you out on a first ball. Why? What's the reason behind it? Because audience wants to see you in your playing condition. Tell me why? Why?
The reason is that when I came at ground, then I see the old crowd and some person shouting and the voice up. Every person wants my sixer. Then I'm feeling so confused.
Great answer! Put hands together! We will like that because we are too we will go to on break. Break, please. Welcome back.
Welcome back to Hot Gossip Show. And we have a caller, Miss Shakuntala, calling us at Padaki Basti. And Miss Shakuntala wants to ask that.
Assalamualaikum, Miss Shakuntala. How are you?
She's fine.
You're fine? That's great.
Okay.
You have a question? Please ask our
Okay, I am asking to the child of Miss Shakuntala. Miss Shakuntala asked that for Miss Meera. Miss Meera, what do you think that about your English, and what do you think that what the Pakistani industry think about yourself?
Actually, my English is best. And
We have just half an hour for Gossip Hot Show, please.
okay.
We have not too much time.
Yeah.
Because this is my show. This is Sahil Lodi show.
Sahil, please concentrate. Control yourself.
Okay.
And every Pakistani industry loves me. And they, you know very well, I am very pretty. And I am very beautiful.
Okay, we get the answer. Every public, can you love to Miss Meera?
No one love you.
No one love you, man. And can you
No one maybe with you.
love to me English of Miss Meera?
No.
Oh my God.
They are not, what is the English? They are don't know. That's why they are saying that no.
Oh my God. Okay, ma'am, what do you think about the Sahil Lodi?
Sahil Lodi is a good person.
Put hands together!
Sahil, please concentrate.
She admire me. Why
She
you
admire
jealous me?
what?
I think you jealous me. This is my show, okay? I want to clear that. This is my show.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am, what he said?
I'm saying that Sahil Lodi is good, but
Every person want to listen that you got the husband or not.
I'm saying that it is secret. That's why I'm not telling.
Okay, we end the end. Just wanna introduce. We just wanna introduce two persons.
Great person.
You know what? There is a lot of celebrities of the Pakistan. They're related in the actors, related in the industry. But I wanna call the
And
great.
also in Karachi and
In
Pakistan.
Karachi,
too much
Pakistan, in
institute.
Karachi, too
But
much
this is a student of WLP.
We have got two students of WLP.
One is senior and one is junior.
And we like to invite Mr. Fahaz Siddiqui is a student.
Put hands together!
And Dr. Qadri is a junior student. I wanna tell you why we calling him. Because I just wanna introduce to the celebrities. If they work hard, them institute and the damn student have a lot of abilities and he growing the abilities if you want to work hard at them. And I just want to ask that how was the environment of the WLP?
WLP is basically an initiative that has been taken by Sir A.R. Raja as an administrator and Sir Wazim Ali Khan as a
Who is the heart of WLP?
Sir Wazim Ali.
Okay.
Sir, please tell me if I joined in WLP, so I leave my disabled. Please tell me.
No, you have to leave your mouth.
The kind of information WLP is basically a Wazim learning point. The influence of that person.
We don't have
a congenial environment and learning etiquettes and motivation as well.
What was suggest to Meera? Because Meera is English too much. I
We
don't.
also calling you for the Meera.
This is my recommendation. Meera wants to join the WLP.
Yeah, Mr. Abdul Kadir, want to say something?
I think so. Meera joined the WLP and it's English very good. Now he said, my name is Meera. And another word, he joined the WLP, he said, my name is Meera.
Oh, that's good.
Guys, this is Hot Gossip Show, and this is your host Sahil Lodi, and this is. And we want to, as usual, we want to wind up our show Hot Gossip. Before I want to wind up my show, I want to give one, as usual, I want to give one good advice to you. Live life before life leave you. Good night.
Come on, second partner. Now, Zakra. Now, Mr. Owais. And then we got K. Mr. Mosby. Second partner, Tanzela. Third partner, Mr. Talha. Then Mr. Hamza.
Taking now, results. To hold up the trophy, Sir Tazim Ali, builder, we need to lift this trophy, third position. The third position, please. Well, both played very well, and the lucky pen goes first. We're talking about the good lucky pen. Don't have much time, that's why don't want to waste more time. That's why. That's why the pen goes to from my right hand side. Mr. Mohsin, clap for Mr. Mohsin. Welcome to Human Section, inshallah, in your life. You get the third or not, I don't know, but you got the lucky band, that's the better for you. Alright, now from that side, the lucky band goes to Fatma. Very nice, Fatma, Takira. Takira, come forward. You can't believe? You think fine? You are, just come over here in the camera. Why do I want watching you? You know what bless you. Thank you very much. Now, the third position goes to, but go with the second, please go. The pen goes to that team or this team. According to the judges, the pen goes to from both sides of the great partner, best speaker, Mr. Ali. Mr. Ali got the lucky pen because of the good speaker from their side. Now, the winner, the third position goes to Tazim Ali. Yes, sir. Sure? Sure. According to the judges, all judges goes to the third position. Don't have to match time nahi karwane ka, isliye we don't have like more time guys. That's why the winner is the winner of Golden Energy Dorje.
Number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, though I believe.
Mubarak, congratulations guys. The guy is at position. Tanzila, myself. And your team very well. Your team played very well. But I would say one thing money was probably from your side only. You won the match speaking great. That's why I'm probably playing over here. Now don't worry about it, inshallah. Better luck for you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Now.